So delicious! Ew.
So beautiful. Whoa!
The stairs are so beautiful. Is there anyone below?
Today, I will make a Hello Kitty house with 4 rooms and a swimming pool. Complete the house frame from cardboard and colored paper. I hope you like it. Woo-hoo-hoo! First, make the kitchen. Make the kitchen cabinet. Assemble the cardboard pieces to create the cabinet shape. Make the tabletop.
Great!
Use a strut to make the faucet. Make the gas stove. Yay! Make the pot out of clay. Amazing! Add beautiful flowers to the vase. Make a cute pink refrigerator. Make a fish-shaped table. Draw the fish on the cardboard. Cut along the drawing. Make the chair. Cut the clay into a square shape.
Ta-da! I love cakes. So delicious!
The kitchen is complete. Next, make the living room. Make the sofa. Glue it to the cardboard. Assemble the cardboard pieces together.
Lisa. Thank you.
Here you are.
Eat together.
The living room is complete. Now let's make the bathroom. Make the wardrobe.
Good job.
So cute. Make the sink. Cut the foam into a round shape. Toothbrush. Make the toilet out of clay. Take a piece of clay. Amazing! Finally, we will make the bedroom. Make the bed. Glue it to the cardboard. Ta-da! Make the mattress. Glue and add cotton on top. Cover it with fabric. Make the Hello Kitty shaped headboard. Draw Hello Kitty on the cardboard. Cut along the drawing. Cover the cardboard with clay. Decorate Hello Kitty's eyes, nose, and mouth. Make the cute bow with clay. So cute. So beautiful. Make the bedside lamp. Cut the foam into a round shape. String the beads to make a night lamp base.
Okay, let me read it to you.
The bedroom is complete. Make the swimming pool.
Huh? What is up? Okay, bro, let's go.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Wonderful, the house is complete.
dangerous. Why isn't there a railing? The stairs are so beautiful. Is there anyone below? I'm so hungry. Do you have anything to eat, Lisa?